welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking some viral TikTok foods. I'm so excited because I'm literally a TikToker and I haven't tried half of these recipes. So I'm so excited to try them, and then we're going to rate them out of 10 because just because it's a trend does not mean that it's a good recipe. So we're going to try them, rate them, and see which one's our favorite. The first recipe we're going to be trying is the viral buldak ramen recipe. So this is pretty easy because most of it's in the pack with you, but we're gonna make it, which will take us like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna taste test it and rank it out of 10 together. Okay, the first thing you do is add 600 ml of boiling water. Now I'm gonna put this on the stove. Okay, I'm reading the instructions. It says to put 600 ml in your pan of water, and then we put this in, put the sachets in, and it's basically done. So that's what we're gonna do. The nudes are on. Now I'm just gonna wait for these to boil down, and then we're gonna add all the sachets and it's basically done. So then we'll get on to our next recipe because this one was easy. Okay, it's time to add the sachet. So let's do that. Okay, now we just add this one because the other one's for like on top. Get all of that out. Now we're gonna mix that all around. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's off the heat now, so now we're gonna bring it over on a board and try it. And the very last step is to add this like nori sesame mixture on top. Okay, let's try our creation. I feel like it's gonna be really spicy because I made this before, but I put like milk and cream and stuff. I just made this exactly how the recipe told me to, so I'm a bit scared because everyone says it's so spicy. Oh, yum. Okay, she's definitely spicy, but like manageable, I think. Honestly, so delicious. This is such like a comforting winter meal. I can see why this one has the hype. This one's good. I give this an 8 out of 10 and I'd definitely eat it again. It's got my tick of approval. Okay, the next recipe I'm gonna try isn't necessarily a recipe, but this is something I've been seeing everywhere, all over my For You page, and it's the lady who eats like raw veggies with mustard. So we're gonna be trying heaps of different raw veggie combinations and see what they taste like. Okay, I've chosen out the veggies. I'm gonna do a carrot, a Brussels sprout, broccoli, and cucumber because she always does these veggies, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then she always uses American mustard, no other type of mustard. So even though I love other mustard, I'm gonna use American. I love American as well, I just like all mustard, but I'm gonna do what she does to make sure it's like the exact same. Okay. Okay, mustard is on the plate. Okay, let's try the carrot first. Okay, let's try it. Mmm. I really, really, really like that. That's delicious. I would eat that as a snack. So good. Okay, the next one I want to try is the Brussels sprout. So let's get like a big hunk of mustard on it. Tastes like cabbage. It's not bad. I love Brussels sprouts, so I don't usually eat them raw, but this is like actually not bad at all. It's very chewy. I don't like this one as much as the carrot, but it's still honestly quite delicious. Okay, now let's try the cucumber. I love cucumber, but because it's so watery, it kind of just tastes like you're eating mustard. So maybe not the cucumber. And then we've got the broccoli. That's a close up. Let's have just like a big bite out of it. I'm actually nervous. Broccoli's not bad at all. It just feels wrong, but it honestly tastes fine. I would rank the mustard with the veggies like a 7 out of 10 because I think it's a good way to get your veggies into you, and it's like quite healthy and it's like a different approach of it. But I wouldn't say this is like the best trend ever. It doesn't taste like amazing and you want to eat it again, but it's something new and something a little different. So 7 out of 10. Okay, the next one we're gonna try is whipped coffee. This was a massive trend back in the day and I never tried it and I don't know why. I just didn't. It was like a COVID lockdown situation and I didn't get onto it. So we're gonna try it today. The only issue is my hand whisker is broken. So I'm gonna have to use the KitchenAid, I think. Unless I have like beaters. But I don't know where my beaters would be. Oh, actually, maybe down here. Oh, I have an actual whisk. Do you reckon this would work? Okay, I remember the trend was instant coffee, but I don't like instant coffee. So I'm gonna be pouring a shot with my pod machine. And hopefully it works just as well. But we'll see, I guess. Check. Now I'm gonna get my flavoring. I'm so curious to see if this is even gonna work, but we're gonna try and do a little workout. You guys are not gonna be able to see my face. Yeah, I'm gonna start whisking. Let's see if it works. This one is such a flop. I've been whisking for like half an hour and it's barely moved. So we're just gonna make a regular iced coffee and call this my first fail. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is line my cup with this like caramel syrup. And now I'm just gonna put some ice in my cup, which is right here. She looks good. Okay, now our milk. I use oat milk. This one is really yummy. I just poured it in the glass. I'm gonna put some of this caramel syrup in it. And now we pour it in. That looks better. Let's taste test. I always drink coffee with straws so that my teeth don't get stained. Let's try it. Oh yeah. I don't care that this one was a fail because this is delicious. I made it so sweet, but that's okay. Next recipe. Next meal is the Emily Mariko like salmon bowl, sushi bowl kind of thing. Let's put our rice in the microwave. Why is it so impossible to open? I'm just making a little hole. Literally, whilst that's cooking, there's hardly any other ingredients. Like, this is like the simplest meal ever. All you need is salmon of some kind. You can use other fish, I guess. This is my favorite salmon if it's not fresh salmon, the Johnny West lemon and cracked pepper. Chef's kiss, I love it. Okay. Once your, ow, it's so hot. Once your rice is ready, okay, put your rice into your bowl. Now we get our can of salmon. My cats are gonna go mental when they hear this. Don't do it like that at home, kids. No, not for you. And then you just pour this on top. This is literally like the easiest recipe ever. No, not for you. They think it's for them because they have tuna for dinner, which is like this. But this is salmon, not for cats. And then she uses sriracha and mayo. I'm gonna use this sriracha because it's like a homemade creamy sriracha, so I don't need the mayo. Pour it all over. Get a bag of seaweed chips. Grab a bit of everything. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna focus. And then, that is so delicious. I'm so glad this went viral. This is like one of my go-to meals. I love it. It's a bit hands-on, but yum. I give the Emily Mariko poke bowl, salmon bowl, whatever you want to call it, I give this a 9.2 out of 10. This is so delicious and it's gonna be forever one of my like go-to meals. You can change it out for prawns, you can change it out for any type of fish you want, fresh, canned, whatever, chicken, beef, anything. So it's just like a staple in my house now. So that's why I'm giving that one a 9.2 out of 10. The next recipe is a dessert. So on TikTok, the Ninja Creamy went viral, and basically what it is you can make your own ice cream from like basically any ingredients you have at home. You can make it super healthy, unhealthy, literally whatever you want, just from stuff that's in your pantry. Like you don't really have to go out and go shopping for the ingredients. And it's also super fast, so you don't have to wait like 24 hours for your ice cream to churn like usually with an ice cream machine. So it went viral because all you have to do is freeze your items and then bring it out and it like makes it into an ice cream for you. I actually got a Ninja Creamy for my birthday, so we're gonna be making a creme brulee cherry ice cream today. I always pre-make my ice cream flavors because you have to leave them in the freezer for a while. But I have never tried a creme brulee flavor, so we're gonna try this. So they come in little containers like this. Oh, it smells good. This is what it looks like. And then what we do is we bring it over to our Ninja Creamy. Let me move that. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of liquid, and then this is where the magic happens. So you get your little Ninja Creamy machine, you put your Ninja Creamy in it, and then you lock it up like so, you turn it on, and then you press ice cream. Okay, so now we see if there was enough liquid in it. This is what she's looking like. I think that's enough. I might have to respin it though. Yeah, I think I will. Let's add a tiny bit more liquid. Okay, let's have a look at it. Ooh, okay. That smells insane, this one. But I'm gonna add a tiny bit more liquid and a respin. Okay, it's respinning. Okay, this is what it looks like. That means it's definitely ready, so let's try it. Okay, so on TikTok, basically the pudding flavors and stuff went viral. So I made a creme brulee pudding flavor because I haven't tried it yet. So we're gonna try it now. Okay, let's do the honors and try it. Oh my gosh. This is one of the best flavors I've made. That is so delicious. TikTok was definitely right. Yum. I would definitely make this flavor again. I give this a 9.7 out of 10. I reckon that's the best recipe of the day. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have any other recipes that went viral or anything that you want me to try, please let me know down below in the comments because I'll definitely try them for you. Let me know if you tried any of these recipes from today's video. I think my favorite was definitely the Ninja Creamy recipe, but also the Emily Mariko bowl was really good as well. Overall, I'd say most of the recipes were pretty successful. We had one fail, but I'm only human, so I'll try my best next time to make sure that there's no fails. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to, of course. I love you guys so much. Goodbye.